Hello my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make a widely beloved sweet treat in India. Kaju Katli or Kaju Burfi is crafted from a blend of sugar, ghee and finely crushed cashews. This sweet delicacy is conventionally offered during weddings, festivals and other notable events and is acclaimed for its affluent, nutty taste and tender consistency. Let us now treat ourselves to a detailed guide on how to make Kaju Burfi. Begin by taking 200 grams of cashew nuts, ensuring their cleanliness by thorough washing and then soaking them for a minimum period of 1 hour. After it softens a bit, strain out the water and transfer to a grinder. Carefully grind the cashew nuts, scrape the sides, and grind again at intervals for a couple of times until it reaches a smooth consistency, adding water as needed. Once you have achieved consistency, incorporate 180 grams of powdered sugar into the mixture and blend thoroughly. Gently warm a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, then incorporate the cashew paste and carefully cook the blend on low heat. Add 5 grams of cardamom powder. While stirring, if there happen to be any lumps, make sure to break them down and keep stirring. The secret to achieving a seamless and uniform Kaju Katli dough lies in the continuous mixing process. Stir the mixture continuously until it begins to release from the edges of the pan. Add and mix 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter, thoroughly. The blend will enhance in consistency and gradually come together into tender dough. At this point, the mixture should be taken out of the pan as a solid piece and transferred to a flat work area. Method for checking the right consistency is rolling a small piece of the dough into a round ball shape. It is important to note that the ball does not stick to your fingers and possesses a sleek texture. Allow the dough to cool for a minute or two until it reaches a temperature that is tolerable to handle. Once the temperature has become bearable, commence the process of kneading the dough. Gently knead the dough with the help of the oily paper. Avoid excessive kneading, as this will lead to the release of oil from the cashews. Transfer the dough to a greased plate or tray and spread it evenly with a spatula. Allow it to cool and set for 15 to 20 minutes. Place the silver leaf, which is safe for consumption, onto the surface of the flattened dough. After the cashew dough has completely cooled down, you can proceed to slice it into either square or diamond-shaped pieces. Remove the uneven edges by smoothing or leveling. Enjoy the goodness of your freshly prepared Kaju Burfi and share this delectable Indian sweet with your loved ones. Thank you for watching my channel. I thoroughly enjoyed presenting this episode. I trust that you had an enlightening and enjoyable experience, and that it has sparked a creativity in you to explore diverse flavors and methods in your culinary pursuits. Kindly remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons on my channel. I will return shortly for another installment of delicious delights. Until we meet again, bye for now.